Hey guys, this is Gerald with you from Be Your Own Doctor. Today we are going to discuss about one of the very important health needs of every single person in this world. We are going to have a series of health topics throughout the week on this particular subject. With so much of suffering going on in this world with COVID-19, I thought, why not share my thoughts with you guys on this important subject? That's immunity. I'm sure each of you have some knowledge about immunity, but the purpose of this video series this week is to help you learn everything about the immune system. Because some of us do not know the actual power of the immune system, that we are so much worried as if we are created defenseless when there is an infection going on in our surrounding. So what is immunity? The term immunity refers to the resistance exhibited by our body towards an infection caused by the microbes or their products. In other words, your immune system is your body's version of the military dedicated to fight against all that threaten it. The soldiers who are part of this defense play a very interesting role. We have the incredible first and the second line of defense. We'll be learning more about that in detail in the upcoming videos. But isn't it pretty cool how the whole army inside us are constantly working to protect us against diseases, infections, toxins, and heal us from the inflammation? Dangers to the body could come from outside in the form of infections from bacteria, virus, parasites, and fungus. Dangers can also originate from the inside when our systems fail to remove the waste, and we may end up with numerous chronic diseases. Well, did you know in the case of a contagious disease, there are three types of carriers? The first one is the incubatory carrier. These are individuals who spread infection before they develop any symptoms of the disease. Then we have the convalescent carriers. These are people who have recovered from the infection, but they still spread infection. Then interestingly, there's a third group of people who are called the healthy carriers or asymptomatic carriers. Why they don't develop symptoms or suffer from the disease? They have resistance to that particular infectious organism. But sadly, these are just 2 to 4% of the population in the whole world. What about the remaining? Are they all born with poor immunity? Well, to an extent, yes. Bitter truth is that the remaining 95% have ruined their immunity through poor lifestyle. Well, how do I know this? The Global Burden of Disease study found that more than 95% of the world's population is unwell, with just 1 in 20 being healthy according to their new analysis. In the case of COVID-19, everyone has turned their focus towards hand washing, sanitizers, face masks, and social distancing as means of protection against the infection. While these are undeniably real important things to follow, a sound immune system could be the best tool to protect ourselves against the disease. A study conducted by the Rome-based institute says, except for 0.8% of the total deaths in COVID-19 in Italy, remaining 99.2% of the deaths among the people who had one or more pre-existing medical condition. Almost every single disease these patients had were lifestyle diseases. So more than 75% had high blood pressure, about 35% had diabetes, and a third suffered from heart disease. These diseases and their medications wreak havoc on the immune system, which puts you 99.2% of the stats. On the other hand, these lifestyle diseases, to a larger extent, are very much reversible through lifestyle change. Now, don't you think the choice is ours? So learning how the immune system works and how to strengthen it could be the most important thing you may want to do in times of a pandemic like this. Well, I'm sure you're curious to learn more about the immune system. In the next video, I'm going to discuss the role of the immune system in fighting infection. So to get the notification when I post the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to be notified, and of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really like it. I'll see you soon.